Hello. Good morning. Good morning is a good greetings for our business people, businesswoman, businessman. Today I'm going to unbox some boxes ready for my little business. This is one of my mom's favorites, you know. I don't know if she was the one who showed up at work. So here we go. I'm gonna do a little bit of her skill. This is a heavy duty singer. Okay, let me unbox this one. If this is a very good piece. Alright. Look at this, man. It's easy. Look at that. Look at this beauty, dude. Woo! I love it already. Do I know how to use this? Probably. They get an extra piece here. Okay. I'm gonna just lay out on you all the things that I've got. From this piece of engineering technology. This is a heavy duty Singer brand of sewing machine. I think this is 4432. I think. We got too many stitches. Right here, a beautiful piece. Okay, and then wow, nice guys. Goodness gracious, mother. Right, we have a lot of free stuff right here. Okay, and this thing pop right here is a pouch for this other stuff. Oh, actually this is electrical. Okay, this is for the pedal. You just first right there, kick it like you change gear of your car to make it run. Okay, here we go. I love it. There's the thing, the manual, I believe, yeah. Okay, I'll show it to you guys. There you go. Here you go. Here you go. All this stuff. Alright. This is a Singer Heavy Duty 4450. Or 4432. Alright. Alright.